Yeah. Ungene kuleli sonto lika mfundisi uTB Joshua uneminyaka 16. Kwenzeka kanjani awusilandise dadewethu?
Hey mfethu yabona ke ilento ukuthi uma wathola inkonzo ayijoyina ngoba khona uanti olamu baba obegula ngaleso sikhathi ubephethwe HIV. And then kwafika labafundisi from Africa abathi bayakwazi bona ukulapha HIV balapha zonke izifo thizeni. So uma ke yena ke wa joina lebandla ngoba lo mfundisi thizeni uthe uyakwazi ukulapha ingculaza. I may join inkonzo uma obviously ingane nathi ulapha uma eyakhona nathi siya.
Yeah.
I uma join inkonzo si join inkonzo then kube right kube normal church but in an overnight service ya Friday, Saturday in prayer, Sunday in inkonzo.
Likuphi lesonto?
Inkonzo belisegoli.
Oh, okay.
Belisegoli.
Yeah.
And then inkonzo mayenza kanjalo umfundisi bese angikhetheke mina phakathi kwabonke abantu. Athi kuma wami phela the way they design le inkonzo ukuthi when you are close to women of God, is status.
Yes.
Like you are very close to uNkulunkulu.
Yes, most yeah.
Ngoba phela isho they already groom us ukuthi uzucabanga ukuthi hayi umfundisi uyiprophet and it means ukuthi uyezwa. Uzwa nemicabango yakho uma ucabanga ungekho phambi kwakhe. So ufuna ugade nje lento oyicabangayo whatever repent at the same time.
Yebo.
So umfundisi wangikhomba wathi sihle sibisi wena you are born of the world but you're not of the world. So ngifuna uzohlala emission house. Cabanga ngasuka ekhaya ngayohlaliswa emission house.
Uneminyaka emingaki la?
Ngifunda umatric I just ngiya ku matric at that time. So hlala emission house, ngahlala emission house for some time. Emission house mawufika nakhona criteria ukuthi uhlala emission house. Number 1 you must undergo HIV test. Wonke umuntu.
Okay, wonke umuntu.
So ngaleso sikhathi sazi ukuthi thina hayibo sitestelwa because umfundisi ayithi bathi ulapha ingculaza. If una ingculaza ayozokulapha umfundisi.
Yebo.
Kanti no, masoyibheka manje umfundisi ubesefa ukuthi ubani angalala naye, ubani angeke amthinte. Because laba abaclean abangena ngculaza yibo laba beyadlala nabo. Wena ugula nje amfethu feel imovite, ufeel umthandazo, ufeel ukufasta. You understand?
Wait, so ufast ukuthi uthandazo lokhu ukuthandaza njalo.
Ukuthi phela ingculaza iphume phela emzimbeni, ufeel imovite, ufeel ukufasta, ufeel yonke lento yakho, you understand? Then from there umfundisi kaqale ke lento yakhe ukuthi guys usikhathi ngihlala emission house, mange university eVits ngihamba ngifaka indwa ngamalapha phela umfundisi udabuke eZambia.
Oh yeah.
So usilethela amalapha wabiza ichitenge. Bakuthiwa sifaka amabhluku so ufaka ilapha moya esikoleni awucabanga
University.
University awucabanga mfethu ngibuhle kangaka Nkosi yami Nkosi uJesu ngifaka ilapha university ngoba phela ngisho bathi ufune umzimba wethu singawubonisi.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Uya university but mangifika university hayi fine ufunda ubuye. Then it started lapho umfundisi sekasibonisa ama video walo prophet wathi TB Joshua. Asitshela ukuthi hayibo TB Joshua is spiritual father yakhe.
Yeah.
Spiritual father, what does it mean? Hayibo spiritual father it means ukuthi le anointing anayo yena umfundisi waseZambia uyithole uTB Joshua.
Yeah.
TB Joshua is spiritual father. So anisho nathi ke manje makasibonisa ama video kaTB Joshua abantu balapheka.
Yes.
People are walking.
Yeah.
People now uyalangazelela ukuthi enkosi yami one day is one day. Hayi ngiqede ke varsity kube into yokuthiwa hayibo kuyahanjwa phela kune trip we were Nigeria shobona spiritual father
awunamanga ithini injabulo lapho
hayibo wema buka at that time magiwa ku trip the excitement beyigcwele ngaphakathi kuwe phela nakhona futhi for you to go to the trip bayan assess ukuthi who's going who's not so ngafika no 100 bese bathi of 100 kambe 30 kuphela
okay bakhethwa kanjani bakhethulani futhi laba
bakhethwa ngaleso sikhathi sazi phela ukuthi khethwa kanjani so afike at that time umam Sandra ubesebenza leTB Joshua naye God rest the soul usekhothamile basebenze bas interview hayibo night trip se Nigeria sambe se Nigeria ngithatha leave ke mina emsebenzi
usuneminyaka emingaki lapho?
I think at that time I was 21.
Okay.
Tati leave emsebenzini I think 2021 somewhere there 2021 Tati leave because I just started ukusebenza Tati leave and in Nigeria uhlala 7 days angithi 7 days so Tati leave emsebenzini hayibo sihamba se Nigeria at that time ngiyakhumbula bengidriver iFiat Palio ngithanda ukuyithengela imoto yami Fiat Palio so ngishiye nobaba wami ngithi ngicela ayigade bengine flat ngihlala Auckland Park yabona nje kube into ukuthi hayi ngiyahamba ngiyabuya awangibuzanga elangeni mangifike eNigeria kanti dala kuplaniwe ngami incwadi ngami sivaliwe pheto kitu ukuthi usihle sibisingeka abuye
ngoba yini
Yeah, Madoda.
ngoba yini
Hayibo.
usezohlala lana aseva uNkulunkulu lana aseva abantu basesontweni kwenzakalani
alisho phela mase sifika lapha mawufika ulangazela ukubona uTB Joshua
Yes.
so for ngamabomu 7 days bazogcina lapha so every day Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday nibukeliswa ama video niyagrumwa and then niyatshela ukuthi must be an attitude of prayer for those 5 days
Yes.
because phela umfundisi make kubona kufanele ukuthola upure yabona and your thoughts at that time kufanele zibe pure so that maya ku prayer line umfundisi angageji ngawe yabona azokhuluma ukuthandazela
yeah
Hi, but at that time mina ke ngabona ingane yakhe namanye ama disciples like maningi abantu bazana hlala phaya kuzwa ama disciples
Yeah.
like abantu bazana from all over the world
wait so nihlala kuphe hotela umuzi omkhulu kwenzakalani
ngaleso sikhathi angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani
oh
but then ayibo Saturday night ke thiwa praise the Lord sicela ukuthi impahla nizozigcoka Sunday ngesonto ku prayer line nigcoke namhlanje ngoba funeke senza I pre-interview before umfundisi ezokukhulekela so that mayidlala ku TV kubonakala ngathi it's one day you understand
oh
yes so if ngizogcoka lengubo emnyama Sunday ku prayer line Saturday night bazongicela ukuthi ngigcoke yona vele it's pre-interview so that Sunday mase babonisa ama video all over the world bayilinka as if bang interview on one day hayi nathi sivume hayi ngicole ke mina ngiyakhumbula bengifaka irogo futhi ibob tube yami black phezulu nama flower enzansi but bengifake ne shawl yakhona ngibophile phela pre-interview Sunday ifike Sunday hayi kumnandi phela Sunday kumnandi konzweni to a prayer line mina mangena eNigeria my main issue was bengine problem yendlebe
okay
I had a knee operation but I was hearing yami inzima kancane yabona so ngimina phana iplacard ne placard ibhale ear operation and then bona masifakele zabo izinto ke
isiplosin
hayi angaza ngathi babhala ngathi night husband angazi ukubhala into eziningi lapha because
Night husband?
yes alisho bazokutshela ukuthi they have to add those things so that umfundisi elakhi iphepha lima attract even more
Oh.
so ngeke babhala into eyodwa kuphela
oh okay
so uzobhala night husband babhala spirit of angazi babhala into eziningi
shuthi nje kahle kahle bawuyinto nje yomhlaba edingekile edinga usizo
mamela ngaso
Yeah.
sikhathi uma wami ujabula uyafa usegoli ngoba phela nisho the fact ukuthi uma kasihle
Yes.
umntana wakhe usihle uye eNigeria ayibo that is status quo on its own anisho phela status quo
yebo
ayibo prayer line happens siyaqala ukumbona ke lo baba lo obviously sesigrumiwe uyamsaba uyamhlonipha you reverence him mefika ku prayer line andlula kuthinte awu ngapha mina ngapha ngathi kuphuma ithopu iBookTube yami besiyehlile kancane ngapha nje sengitshela ukuthi did you hear congratulations hayibo congratulations kwezakaleni like I didn't know what happened hayibo when you are staying uyasala you are
so
staying
kwenzeke lento emva ukuthinta nje wasuvele wafana
kuphela in
nokhulekayo
front of everybody like ngavele kube ushaya i-blackout bese
Kube mnyama, yeah.
kube mnyama nje ushaya i-blackout bese uyavuka like kodwa mawuvuka abantu bashaya izandla ukuthi hayibo wena you're the chosen one you're God's chosen one you will be the first black South African ezohlala esontweni
cheers
ngaleso sikhathi ama emotions awucabangi kahle and at that time you're thinking ukuthi hayi perfect great shot shuthi nje vele khawufile imurena ngiseduze noJesu phela manje
yeah
hayi manje ke kube yisho ukuthi manje uma vele hayi ujabulile she's happy bamtshelile goal u right ubaba ngizomtshela kanjani Nkosi yami we hayi thiwe no baba wakho uzofonelwa bamfonela ubaba kuthiwa hayibo ingane yakhe ayisabuyi iyahlala la eNigeria she's chosen
yeah
hayibo hayi ngempela ke ubaba wami umbona ukuthi yasangana le akayizwa nje kahle athi hayibo ngeke yami ingane ngifuna ukuza nje lapho eNigeria i-team engize nayo bahamba bangishiya kanjalo
bahamba bonke wena
bonke
uqasala
ngasala mina ne it's only late I discovered ukuthi it was all planned vele bese dala ithombe zami zathunyelwe eNigeria bese bokuplan nje ukuthi
Late
uyasala
kangakanani? Late kangakanani?
later sengiphakathi deep lapho so deep phakathi khona and remember we besigruma ukuthi we can't speak about certain things right so mangifika the first night I'm thinking okay kuyohlalwa phi
nehlala ya ngifuna ukuza lapho sichazele
Kuba
manje
ke
ukuthi
bongena ekonzweni kune passage elide ama visitors ahlala lapho nyuka iTBC i-first floor inkonzo main church then the next level ama office the next level ikamera lethu thina amantombazane ama disciples
mhlawumbe nibangaki
maybe it's 2,000, just women from anything, as long as you are a woman, you are in the same dormitory. So number double bunk lapho. So share toilet, share shower. The next floor, yonke floor. Ega nkosikazi ka TV Joshua uhlala yedwa nezingane zakhe kuleyo floor.
Okay.
The next floor, abafana bodwa. And then from there, my office. Bese le the last floor. UTB Joshua lapha yedwa.
Uhlala yedwa yena lapha.
Uhlala yedwa lapho uhlala ehamba nabafana bakhe la abamgadile.
Okay.
So mawufika the first 2 weeks I was treated very nice. Okay. First 2 weeks I'm from South Africa, the first black South African. Bang introduced to the first white South Africans. I one wabo bekakhona ku BBC documentary now Angela. Angela Naish was there. So now she was the first white South African. So now she knew how to entice me ukuthi ngihlale la yabona. Hi, you know, you are close to God. What are you? Oh, we are barely 2 weeks angibuzanga elangeni. Sleep deprivation. Tiwa, nobody sleeps if daddy is not sleeping.
Unamanga, so akuvumelekile ukulala noma inini.
Ayibo ngeke uvela uthi ngikhathele ngifuna ukuyolala. No ways, you will be in trouble.
Udade akakalali.
Udade makuthiwa udade akalali, awulali nje. You have to be funeka ubonakala ubhizi wenza something. So mina automatically because ngiyacula vele I was put in the praise team by busy choristers.
Yes.
Bengu choristers and then from choristers bangisebenzisa ku admin department yabo. So during the day mangekho ku admin ngiku rehearse ama cell phone maningi lapha yana abantu bafona you are picking up the call yabona nje kubhizi kune busy nje lapha.
Okay.
Awuna cell phone passport ithathiwe. Passport cell phones esontweni. So basically you can't have communication nabantu
nomndeni wakho abangaphansi komhlaba abangaphandle komhlaba kwaleli sono.
Nothing. So umuntu befuna ukukhuluma nawe they have to go through the process of writing an email to daddy.
What?
Ukuthi sicela ukukhuluma noSihle.
Ngizofona isikhathi sokuthi.
Mawufona uzofona ibanje omunye usho ukuthi nakhona futhi basikhuluma lapha by that time you speak pidgin English. So when you are phone lapha, hello, can I speak to Sihle? Hello ma, how are you? Sesikhuluma.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, mina ngizophendula. Yes ma, how can I help you? I want to speak to my daughter. Sorry ma, I can't hear you. Sorry ma.
Why?
For irritated for you to pick the phone. Because at that point you can't easily get hold of me. Do you understand? Sometimes the phone and I want to speak to Sihle. Hey mommy, sorry, you can't speak to Sister Sihle right now. Sister Sihle is in prayer. Please phone later. Thank you too.
Wait, ngoba yini indaba bengafuni ukukhuluma nani?
Because there's protocol, everything must be done through TB Joshua. Awukwazi mawufuna ukuyolala noma ungagula noma ungathini ufuna ukucela permission uTB Joshua bekana ama slips amancane yabona ama papers amancane makuthiwa ngifuna ukuyolala funeke I must find a chance lapho ngizomthola khona mangimbona nje ngisho ukuthi daddy I'm very tired, can I go sleep kuba uyena ozothi yes or no makathe yes uzothatha iphepha elincane elibhala lisign then mina funeke ngilithathe ngilibonisa lo phethe
signature yakhe
I home room ukuthi nayi mina nginepass yokuyolala mawufuna imali funa ukuthola ipass everything must be signed for ipass without the pass nothing happens.
Sicela ubuye ke la ngokusuku bokuqala ke uthi usuyaqala ke manje usuyabizwa ke endlini enkulu.
So obviously by then you are there 1 month but then now mina because I'm very curious lento ukuthi hayibo masihlele egumbini sometimes ngoba phela endalidedela la une phone egumbini sometimes the phone mayikhala iyabanjwa kodwa umuntu bekhuluma umuze khuluma uza nje drop phone bese kuthiwa sister so and so your daddy is calling you but angeke bakutshela ukuthi ukubizela kuphi so ubona umuntu bathi someone daddy is calling you uphumela ngaphandle nawe. So now I'm thinking, why abantu babizwa mina ngingabizwa Nkosi yami mina ngibizwa nini anisho phela you anisho ile nto manje competition
yes
and to show you ukuthi he wanted to divide and rule us and make sure ukuthi asithembani every night lapha yabo kune meeting every single night.
Okay eyani
I-meeting yokuthi sizopayisana phela
daddy
ukupayisa sizocebana phela so ngizothi daddy ngiphamise isandla nithi daddy Sal Beyonce today came to me and told me that yesterday you gave her an apple.
Oh.
How can you do that, Sal Beyonce? Huh? Do you not have respect for what daddy does with you? Why don't you tell everybody? So, for the first time you are exposed to seeing abantu beqhenywa because there are certain things that you can't share with certain people. So when you are exposing certain things, so that is why even if you know Baba daddy did something to you, uzosithulela uvala umlomo uthi twi because awufuna ukushaywa phela nawe ngoba phela mawupayisa uzoshaywa. Then the fateful night happened where one day kwathiwa Sister Sihle daddy is calling you. hayi ngiphume ngithi mina ke so bokhona usisi okubizwa uBisola ukhona ku documentary naye uBisola shows the pimp uyena ke ube lapha yana uyena bekhetha ukuthi namhlanje kuyabani akuyibani or whatever uye besebenzisana no TB Joshua documentary and I think we've come a long way no Bisola because we had to sit down and actually make peace. She had to apologize to all of us because Masenzi reunion we all found out what how can talk as a day so Bisola but she was benefiting in at the end of the day.
So masichazela umuntu la manga understand ekhaya. So uBisola kahle wawuyena kwakuthunywa yena edayisa ngamantombazane ewadayisela yena uTB Joshua.
Yebo Bisola. And I
yebo masebenzani uTB Joshua esebadayiselile.
Bukai. So Bisola uzozathi sister secretary is calling you. So uye kuye athi oya alisho manje like ikamera lile phezulu but it's got different entrances and exits.
Oh man,
so
okay,
I go uzothi kuwe oya sister secretary use the west wing.
Oh
so when why look gibela west wing khona uyehlayo.
Oh khona kuma ke
asibonani phela lisho phela because there are different entrances. So mawunyuka for the first time jabulile lisho phela mawunyuka uphatha iBhayibheli lakho nepen because you must always have a pen and a Bible in hand to show ukuthi you are spiritual uyabona manje uNkulunkulu ngigijima ngifike phezulu umnyango omncane uvuleke umnyango mengena ayibo ngiyaqala ukungena kule ndawo lena akusi office lakhe ngijwayele upstairs ikamera lakhe ngigijima ngifike phezulu umnyango omncane uvuleke umnyango mengena ayibo you know I'm shocked I'm surprised nami because I'm thinking good ayibo what's happening here you know because I'm supposed to be sorry I'm thinking ukuthi what's going on here because uDaddy megekubiza usually you thinking it's prayer you know hayibo nangu kusihle kuyangena eroomini la kaDaddy mofika eroomini la kaDaddy uDaddy idimina yakhe akusile ngijwayele yakababa uyabona avela ajika namehla akhe ajikile ngisunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani avela athi oya Sikle ngithi yes daddy athi oya take your pants down
you my dad
guys wasikhathi like ngathi you are
kumula
take your pants down
yep
hayibo ngimbheke ngigabaza athi please take your pants down siyathetha manje uvela uyehlise ukhumule athi oya take your clothes off vele ukhumule athi oya lie down
ulaya kuphi njalo
lie down ngilala phansi phela
awukumbhede lapho kulela office
mamela it was a carpet lale phansi mengilala phansi ke lapho avele angikhwele mengikhwela kanjalo into engayizwa nje ukuthi nje khona nje bongazi ukuthi silwane noma umuntu kodwa khona into ephefumulayo la kuwena uyezwa nje ukuthi something ephefumulayo but ubhlungu obuzwayo you don't understand ukuthi what is going on I think kuleyo situation usunami nje usuphelelwe like imizwa ama emotions and at the same time uyazibona ukuthi hayibo ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngila kodwa Nkosi yami akusiyimina lona ngiyaphupha iphupho elikhulu leli iphupho leli this is not happening uma seqedile kanjalo ke na uDaddy ke meqedile nawe uvela phakame asukume athathi unevaslap emhlophe thathi vaslap yakhe emhlophe athi oya open avela thathi vaslap akusule yena ngaphakathi ayithathi vaslap ayibophele angaze ayibeke kusinye isikhama athi oya put on your clothes go out
kanjalo nje
uqedile ngawo
akukho mhlambi nokuthi akuqabuleke mbijana
so maphuma mawehla uhlangana naye lo Bisola lokise lapha ya so mawehla wena ke uBisola manje mehlangana nawo mesohlangana naye uBisola moseyehlile downstairs akusukuthi unendaba ngokuthi unjani how are you no ugadile manje ukuthi ukhuluma nobani like sekagade your moves ukuthi how are you behaving normal
uDaddy lapha akukho mhlambe comfort inyana kunika yona ukuthi uzizwe mhlambe ungconywana no Bisola naye into efanayo
uBisola ngaleso sikhathi masowehlile idebhiso vela athi oya sister Sikle oya Ron choristers are rehearsing so you go back as if everything is normal
okay so akasho nokuthi ena ungayikhulumi lekenze
nothing is being said to you uqhubeke nawe but every corner subona uBisola and manje so awusakwazi ukuthi ubehave kanjani manje ngoba awazi ukuthi uyazi number 1 ukuthi if ngayikhuluma lento ebusuku kuzoba ne-meeting kule meeting ngizobhonya so bagadile manje ukuthi ubehave kanjani are behaving strangely
ukhandiye ukuthi ungathi vu
so so monitored so uyazi ukuthi whatever but at the same time ingqondo ayivumi ukwamukela ukuthi hayibo udate uqeda ukungenza into
ingane nje phela angithi nikhandwe ukuthi ningayicabanga izinto ezimbi ngodate ngoba phela mawuyicabanga emqondweni uthi umqondo ngeke umuntu kaNkuluNkulu lo muntu kaNkuluNkulu
uyakubona uyakuzwa
buka into yokuthi awusakwazi manje ukuthi you can't tell ukuthi ngempela yenzekile noma ngiyayiphupha lento but moye bathroom muyithinta ngaphansi uyanuka uyezwa manje ukuthi no khona into yenzekile la kumina. But then life continues. Ngaleso sikhathi ngalelo langa ke it's a day ozosebenza kakhulu ke bese after about 2-3 hours I meeting kuleyo meeting awazi noma udate ubheke emehlweni noma umshalazele awazi ukuthi wenzeni but kuleyo meeting for some reason he will pick on you
athini
uzo pick on you athi oyasikle stand up usukumeke wena athi anyone here who has a problem with Sister Sikle hayi abantu ngathi ba prepariwe ukuthi nje bakuthele ngeinkinga zokuthi uwenzeni just to break you. And they are doing all of this to break you mentally, emotionally, spiritually ukuthi nje ubone ukuthi ubone ukuthi la ekhaya whatever happens one awutshela umuntu number 2 udedi maseshuba akalithathela igama ngathi khathi you're hoping ukuthi uzokholwa wena because hey Bob dedi uqeda ukunyukubeza le ngaphezulu lutho nix akakubona ukuthi izivaseliphiga izibhodo
ukwenza lokho wakwenza lokho kuwena kangaka wakwenza kanye waqeda ngawe or noma waphinde futhi kwaqhubeka
no kwaba into eqhubekayo ukuthi nje uyazi nje makuthiwa Sister Sikla daddy is calling you mabathi Sister Sikla daddy is calling you and then mabathi 5 story
yep
uyazi ke 5 story
usuyona ukubeka
uyazi ukuthi hayi sokuzoyenzeka it's going to happen. I mean even it happened nase crusade saya ku crusade na eSingapore it happened nakhona futhi lapho. I mean udedi bikalala in a different hotel from us but then you will get a call in your room ukuba ngasikhathi mina ke so funny ngasikhathi ku crusade eSingapore bengilala no Bisola nomfazi kaDedi ama rooms wethu were interleading Twa uBisola afike imathi oyasekhle Daddy wants you like already ubheka ngale look yokuthi uyazi ufune kwenzakani so uzoya downstairs ugijezwe emotweni drive to his hotel room ufika hotel room yakhe labo sesabaculayo ba u3 the famous ones abaculayo enkonzweni yakhe uN uAnu no boss bakhona lapho ibona abamphekelayo mawufika lapho ku presidential suite so mawungena vele i lounge khishi uya straight ekamereni mawufika uDaddy vele athi oya makathi oyaso uyazi vele ukhumuleke nawe vele ulaleke phela ke enza into ayenzayo ngawaqedeke
konke lokhu umukhulelwa kwenzekana akwazeni ufinyelele esimini sokuthi ukhulelwe ke manje
right problem comes musukhulelwe awusaye esikhathini ke manje so ukhulelwe
bese uyabika ke
funeka uyobika phela manje nakhona mawubika futhi angeke uvele uyotshela noma yini noma ubani uzoya like mina for example ngaya ku Bisola ngathi Sister Bisola see you hey this my period is not coming again to Sister Bisola for how long ngithi it hasn't been coming this whole month I not get it again so most people bazothi Sister Bisola has a lapid pidgin English I stayed in Nigeria guys ngiyazela lapho
yes
then that's when I discovered ukuthi kune clinic underground esontweni
unamanga engazi ngayo
underground yabona lapha enima khona nthandaza nithi Jesus is Lord ikule auditorium underground lapho kune clinic full fledged clinic kuno nurse kuno dokotela full fledged wangithatha uBisola ngaya lapha enzansi bathi oyaphi bathatha pregnancy stick
but
mayithi positive oya no problem oya sleep on the bed now so uyalaliswa embedeni full fledged clinic I can still yabona ngiba traumatized mengicabanga because mina lapha enkonzweni I had 3 abortions 3 abortions because ngathi Josh
bakhiphisa isisu kathathu
3 mamela uyathathwa and nakhona futhi mawulaliswa embedeni akunegotiate lapha yakuthiwa hayi it's my body ngifuna ukugcina lesisu no uyathatha ulaliswe bese inyawo zakho bazibeka so ngathi inkukhu uyazi bakubophe so inyawo lele so uvula inyawo bakubophe inyawo then uzofika usister mayifika usister ufika nento engathi insimbi uyazi into yaziyo nje iwarm land uvela ayifaka ayithi go ingaphakathi kwakho mase ingenile ngaphakathi uyayitwista
hey
mayiceda ukuyitwista kanjalo kuvela ukuthi qhu uyazi so khona into ayihlabile ngaphakathi kwakho wayitwista and then makayidonsa ukuthi wena you can feel ingaphakathi yakho ukuthi khona into edonsekayo kuvela ukuthi qhu uyazi maqeda ukuthi qhu kanjalo avela ayidonse nayo ke from that time uzowopha sisi you will bleed like crazy but muwopha ucabanga ukuthi ngiqedile eroomini lutho uhlala lapha enzansi until uqeda ukopha mawopha kanjalo ufaka ama pads lawo ama pads mawafakiwe ayathatha ufake eplasticini agcinywe lapho athatha plasticini agcinywe
alondolozwa yibo agcinwa yibo
yibona phela ngalesha uhamba ungakaqedi ukopha
okay, yeah.
So uhlala lapho and then mase uqedile ukopha ke wena ke ilapho ke level 2 lapho so introduce khona ke into enza khona ke manje ngoba phela igazi lami ngithi yimbe ngopha nisho uthola ukuthi ngidlale lapho 7 days
ne
uhlele clinic 7 days
awuphuma uwopha
mina ngithi into yamahora
and we ngeke uphuma ungakaqedi ukopha and into abakunika yona kuphela uPanado
okay uzoqhubeka usitshela ukuthi izinto zakho introduce kuyona sixolise kubalaleli kulakhulukazi laba abazwelayo njalo nana siyaxolisa kakhulu bandla kusami kulelo side uintroduce ke kwizinto zakho nake iziphi lezo zinto
hayi then kuzothiwa oya ngathi isikhathi masihleli lapho mind you I'm not the only girl lapho
nibaningi
kodwa sikhulumisani umuntu nomuntu uzela indaba yakho la sonke siyazi ukuthi vele sokhipha izisu and asakubuzwana phela nje sifuna ukushaywa emeetingini so usiyabonana but asikhulumi bese uzothathwa ukuthi sister Sihle oya come bathi oya come with your plastic mase basho ukuthi uqedile ukopha uyahamba uyiswe mountain uTV Joshua bekane prayer mountain yakhe hayi leni ibone TV nini le sithele le namafish amaningi lapho begunda ama pubic hairs wakadlisa amafish kona thatha lawo ma plastic lakho lama pads wakho ke iwona ke lawa thathwa ke mawufika ke ungena endumbeni yakhona you know ngikhumbula mengifika kuleyo ndumba leyo ngasikhathi ubhiso la ukhona uhamba nobhiso la
yiba
mawufika kuleyo ndumba yakhona kuthiwa oh yeah no screaming here oh no screaming you don't dare scream whatever you see you don't scream you keep quiet daddy will not hurt you
hayibo
so automatically you are told so uyathula uthi tu hayi mawungena endumbeni lapho bavele bathathe bathi oh yeah throw this your plastic in ngathi yini it's umqomo omkhulu like a cannibal yini ubizani lo mqomo omkhulu lo wesintu like
imbiza
lo wembiza but umkhulu
okay
uvela ulahlele lapho awunakile ngaleso sikhathi bese wathatha lapho kuthiwa oh yeah lie down hayibo again lie down sengilalelani ke manje and mawufika kuleyo ndawo leyo vele already iyashunqa kushuka inuka impepho but ngiyayizwa ukuthi impepho but impepho le uleso phansi ke lapho ke bekwa amakhandlela around you kuqhamuka umlisa ke ufake into ebovu uyayibona mawujabheka ne voice udedi inkosi
oyema
oyema avelathi oya bisola did she throw her plastic then uzovuma ubisola then bakhuluma language engayizwa ke mina yakhe then from there oya bisola wait outside bisola must wait outside so meke mengaphansi ubisola mina sengilele flat pants lapho ke again uzongikhwela ke but this time mekukhwela ke lapho ke that's when the first time I was introduced to inyoka zakhe ke zilapho
siyaxolisa futhi ngamagama aqojem akunukubeze futhi inyoka ke sizenzani ke manje ke
hayibo while he's busy on top of you nangu as I say you don't know ukuthi ulala naye noma isilwane because the way aphefumula ngakhona is not the same so at that point ubheke phezulu you are
traumatized.
You are numb. You are just thinking uNkulunkulu just help me. You understand? While busy now ke lapho uzozwa man khona into ehambayo in this room but awukho sure. So while is on you at some point mawuthi uthikanda ayibona ikubhekile lento. Uyayibona? Ikubhekile lento. Mawuthi hayibo inyoka hawema you are numb you just die completely. Bese qedile ke ngawe ke oh yeah put on your clothes oh yeah go uyabuyisela esontweni awusawopha uqedile ngawe you continue life continues and then from there bakuthatheke behind the stage enkonzweni kune swimming pool kune swimming pool lapho so leyo swimming pool nakhona khona into yakhe vele lapho ke ehlala phakathi kule swimming pool ngeni ibone nina because angeke nifunani kuleyo swimming pool emva stage uyathinaka lesho sengiqedile lapha entabeni then ngifune ngibuyisele ke sengiyogezwa ke manje swimming pool behind the stage basically I'm being cleansed and renewed again sengi right back to normal same
so onke lezi makhulu ngamakhulu amantombazana lapha adlule kulento le
sonke yazi masenza iBBC masenza iBBC documentary I was so surprised because it took 3 years for them to do the documentary but masenza reunion all the girls and babona ku documentary bonke bokuyilento ukuthi siyakhombana konke ukuthi
abaphesha kwelo andle ko England abelungu
ama China amandiya wonke umuntu sonke
mawucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba kwakukhona neyabafana phezulu mhlawumbe naku kwakwenze ukuthi mhlawumbe ayibandekanye noma nikubeze bona abafana ayingekho mhlawumbe izinto ezikanjalo amaheli
angikaze ngambona ke nabafana but khona abanye abakhulumayo abasho izinto ezinjalo enye futhi ethusayo ukuthi umuntu menyamalala sibuzani phela ukuthi ukuphi umuntu
khona abanyamalalayo
sometimes uthi uyandlula uyahamba ubona isidumbu ngeke awusibonanga angibonanga lutho mina ngazi
so kwenzeka abanye bafe
baningi abantu abashona abafa enkonzweni sihlala nabo but uthula uthi du imindeni mayizobuza ngemindeni ukuthi hayibo inganyamba ehlala la what happened hayibo TB Joshua phela usebenza namaphoyisa wangaleso bayakhona ukusebenza kahle ababribe kamnandi understand
ukudilika kwesonto ke lona ke lidilika nikuphi nendawo
hayibo mame like so isonto remember njengathi structure sesonto ilapho kuhlala kuthina nkosikazi wakhe ama disciples wonke no TB Joshua uhlala in that structure akudilikanga istructure sesonto kudilike lapho kuhlala ama visitors khona across the road lelinye ibhilida lakhile across the road
so kudilikanga kunini
akudilikanga kuthina but ikudilike across the road but now here's the thing mina makudilike ibhilidi I was gone long gone
kanjani ke
hayibo mfethu you know I always say this there was a time ubethanda ukuthi TB Joshua ukumema abantu abakhulu there was a time wamema iJoy celebration wayemema ukuthi ize ka TB Joshua for birthday yakhe bazocula you understand so I've been staying there for years sengikwazi ukukhuluma nePidgin English so mongibuka ngeke usho ukuthi ngumZulu you think I am part of the crew so being a groupie I was ngabona uJabu Hlongwane hayibo ngamjabulela hawu Hlongwane wavela ngibheka uJabu Hlongwane wathi mina ufunani la wathi ufunani la ngathi mina hayi abazali bami bangiletha athi hayibo kanti ukwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu ngathi mina yes ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu athi kumina hayibo abazali bakho nje babakushiye lana kushuthi abakuthandi wena abakudinga ekhaya yabona that's when for the first time I had a loud vibe moment like ngabona ulayitelwe ukuthi what am I doing here now the problem is ngizohamba kanjani because passport lisofisini
sindele engxoxo ngenza ukuthi siphinde sixolise futhi ngokuthi kuphinde kuqhamuke namagama abanye abantu kodwa ke vele ingxoxo mayisuka injalo nomlando nakulakudlule khona kuba kanjalo kube kade twethu sibheka amaphethelweni manje
that's why ngithi mina for me I'll forever thank uBaba Hlongwane for celebration because if I didn't meet him in Nigeria I think uNkulunkulu wakhanda ukuthi ngihlangane naye ngibe igroup for him to say to me ufunani la what are you doing here that's when I had a light bulb moment and then for the first time now I started thinking ngizohamba kanjani la how do I live but then I knew ukuthi each time umfundisi had a crusade the first trip from Nigeria would fly to South Africa Gobo Nomuza South Africa and then we'd spend a day or two then we connect to the next country that we're going to but at that time when you flown down to South Africa I mean your passport is in your hand so that night I remember we flew to South Africa safika South Africa salale ebusuku ngiphethe passport wami nguphethe kanjani passport wami one day ukubana lelanga lokuthi uthi it's either now or never khona ubhuto benza ingadi lapha endlini yakhe passport yami ngiyithathile I remember ngiyifake la ku bodies la eceleni ngavele ngame egedini ubhuto enza ingadi ngaphuma straight ngathi la it's either now or never ubhuti yangibuza oh yeah sister Sikhle where you going ngathi I'm coming sister Sikhle ngathi come mamela akusunga ngagijima yaso ngamisa imoto first car I stopped ngangena phakathi ngathi kumina drive manje umlungu lo uthukile what happened ngathi please just drive ngishiya phone ngishiya everything impahla zami kwasandla the only thing I had on me was my passport I can't go home ngoba uma wami phela ke she's part of the church she's a head pastor
umthemba kakhulu baba emanzwani namanje noma
till today uma wami wangifakela protection order 4 years ago wafakela mina nezingane zami protection order ukuthi until I go back ngixolise ngithi hayi amanga it didn't happen akangidingi
so ngoba ukhuluma kabi udedi manje so anzazwani ke nomama
angimkhuluma kabi ngikhuluma about the pain nokuyukubeza that I went through all I wanted mina and everything I've ever seeked for was I'm sorry for taking you to the church
khona isikhwama siphethe sengane isikhwama sikabani lesi
this bag is my daughter's bag
isikhwama sengane yakho
so my daughter Nkosi yami she nge 8 zaka January I documentary yaka TB Joshua aired in the country and I carry this bag because I believe my daughter is with me in spirit. Unfortunately for me, in Gay 11 January, 3 days after a documentary, my daughter passed on. She was 10 years old.
Oh no.
Can I tell you, people abazibiza ngokuthi abazalwane angibafuni phambi kwami because abantu abazibiza abazalwane they were very cruel, but yeah ingane kaSihle bajabula yeah, touch not my anointed unayekile uSihle washonela ingane yeah ubesukela uTB Joshua manje uNkulunkulu uyampanisha ingane ishonile, it's your fault ingane ishonile
kwenzakalani enganeni.
Let me tell you, that is why I demanded ukuthi I want an autopsy done. Ngifuna ukwazi what happened to my daughter. Lo and behold, our doctor maybe check medically what my daughter suffered a ruptured brain aneurysm. Hey bo, what is a ruptured brain aneurysm? But give me she had a hemorrhage. Hemorrhage, doctor. Then they explained ukuthi 1 in 5 people are walking around with an unruptured aneurysm. And Lena, it could be genetically, and there are no signs and symptoms. Meaning ukuthi she had a bleeding of a vein in the head which burst. It's a ruptured brain aneurysm. So for me now, once I got a medical diagnosis about doctor, I told myself that ukuthi abazalwane bathini angihlangene lapho, I don't care. That is why khona bloggers who have opened case against abazalwane, that have opened cases against, who are saying ingane yami ibulawe because of TB Joshua blah blah blah, because that's defamation of character. That's cyberbullying. It's not true. My daughter had a ruptured brain aneurysm.
All right, Mahlazi siyabonga sesiphetha njengane kwethu umbuze nginawo wodwa nje, usakholwa inkosi uJesu?
Yeah, ngisakholwa inkosi uJesu because I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona, and the reason why I believe ukhona uSihle Sibisi usamile namanje, uSihle Sibisi usaphila.
Yes,
it's unfortunate ukuthi ingane yami ihambile. Yes, I think she lived a full life, my daughter. I'm raising a 14-year-old right now. The fact that I'm still able to sit here and talk to you guys, that means uNkulunkulu ngempela uyena obhala impilo yomuntu and no one has a say over it.
Uyakholela ukuthi ushonile emhlabeni usakhona emhlabeni noma usewafa nawe uTB Joshua?
Hawe mama angazi ngoba phela ngesazi ukuthi bafaka istatue kulela glass bese ngoba why maybe sebamngcwaba inside esontweni balivala zange sesibona leso statue singena phakathi if usaphila